Have you ever wondered if you could earn money by watching videos online? If you spend a lot of time watching videos online, it can be a great opportunity for you. In today's video, I will show you exactly how you can do it. And the good thing is you don't need to invest any money. This is beginner friendly. You don't need any social media followers, you don't need to sell any product, and you don't need any fancy gadgets. Today's methods will work on both Android and iOS. So it does not matter what mobile device you are using. If you watch this video until the end, I will show you some bonus websites to maximize your earnings. But before we start, welcome to my channel, where I teach you the latest making money online tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel with the notification bell on, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now let's get started. Our first website is called superpay.me. This is a trusted website where you can get paid for your successful participation in paid surveys, offers, playing games, trials, watching videos, and more. Since 2012, they have sent out over 5 million in payments and rewards to their members. You can check out their feedback on Trustpilot. This website is available worldwide. There are thousands of people who have made real money with superpay.me. Almost half of their payments are sent instantly. And the cool thing is that you need to earn at least $1 at superpay.me. Then you can request payment via PayPal. But other payment methods require a $5 minimum, which is very low. They send payments via PayPal, Skrill, Bitcoin, and gift cards. All you have to do is click on this Join Today button and fill out this form correctly, and you are good to go. Our next website is called inboxdollars.com. This is a pretty well-known website, and many people are actually on this website to make money by watching videos. You can make $5 when you sign up with this website as a sign-up bonus. All you have to do is enter your email address and password, re-enter it, and click on this Sign Me Up button right here. Once you reach only $10, you can withdraw your money, and you can do it simply by watching videos. Now move on to our next website, which is called creationsrewards.net. By using this website, you can make money by watching videos. If you go down right over here, you'll find that it says that watching videos is not the only way to earn money on this website. There are a bunch of different income streams on this website. You can take daily surveys, shop online, watch videos, explore websites, try offers, and much more. So this is an excellent website because you have so many choices to choose from. If you get bored of doing the same method again and again, then you can go ahead and try doing another form that way. You can still earn money without getting burnt out. This website has been online since the year 2000. So they've been operating for 22 years. So this is definitely not a scam because they would probably close in the first year if this was a scam. Now redeeming points on this website is very simple. You can cash out anytime you want. Let's get into the sign-up details for this website. So if we head back up to the top of the website, you'll find a sign-up section on the right side. This website will actually give you a $5 bonus for signing up. So you haven't even watched any videos yet. You haven't done any work, and you have already started earning money and made $5 for yourself. So all you have to do is fill out the required details and you are good to go. Our next website is called cashstick.com. You can earn money by answering surveys and watching videos. There are always great, easy tasks for you to choose from. Complete as many as you'd like, there's no limit. Cashstick offers the lowest payout thresholds on the market. They deposit your money quickly, securely, and conveniently. Once you reach a minimum of $10 in your account, you can request a withdrawal via a verified US PayPal account. And payments are made within 1 to 3 business days. Now you may be wondering why they pay you. They will pay you because companies are eager to get their deals in front of consumers to get your feedback. In fact, your opinions are so valuable, they'll even pay you for them. All you need is a few minutes and an internet connection, and they will take care of the rest. With Cashstick, you also have the option to refer friends and earn rewards. When a friend signs up with your referral link and completes tasks on Cashstick, you'll get a 25% commission on their total earnings. If you have friends or family who are eager to earn extra cash in their spare time, making referrals can be a great way to work toward that $10 payout threshold. Now all you have to do is enter your email and choose a password and click on this Get Started Now button right here. Our next website is called Erazu.com. This is the web's most popular rewards program. This is a rewards program founded in 2016 that provides users with points for trying out apps, completing surveys and offers, playing games, and watching videos. They have more than 50 channels of video content to choose from. You'll mostly watch ads, app trailers, movie trailers, short films, movie reviews, and cooking tutorials. They give you free gift cards and cash for the everyday things you already do online. When you earn 3,000 iRazu points, you can exchange them for your first reward. They release rewards weekly. All you have to do is click on this Join button right here. Once you do that, you will land on this page. Simply enter your simple information and start making money by watching videos. Now move on to our next website, which is called mypoints.com. MyPoints is a rewards site that's been around since 1996. The company has a rating with the Better Business Bureau and thousands of excellent reviews on Trustpilot. With MyPoints, you can use your account to earn rewards when you shop, take online surveys, and play games for points, and of course watch videos. To earn points watching videos with MyPoints, you'll need to complete a playlist of videos. You can earn on-site with your computer or rack up extra points when you use the MyPoints mobile app, which is available for both Android and iOS. You can earn up to 500 points per day watching video playlists. The value of each point depends on the redemption you choose. All you have to do is enter your email and password, then click on this button right here. Now I will show you some bonus websites to maximize your earnings. But before we proceed, give us a like and subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Also hit the bell icon to make sure you definitely won't miss any of my future videos on making money online. Now let's get started. Go over to YouTube and find a trendy game. On the left side of the homepage, there is an Explore button. Click on it. When you do that, YouTube will show you the best performing videos, whether it is related to music, sports, game, or news. I'd like you to get to this page by clicking on the gaming category. I'd like you to click on the Minecraft game because it is now one of the most popular and trending games. When you click on Minecraft, you'll be sent to a page on this page. Now then click on Any. If I click on this one, it will take me to a page where they are streaming live gameplay and many people are watching. Now click on this Share button and copy the URL link of this video. Now go to this website called shrinkme.io. This website is worldwide available. Now click on the Register button right here. Once you click on it, you will land on this page. Now enter your username and email password, then re-enter the password, verify this CAPTCHA, click on this Terms and Condition box. Then click on this Register button to register with this website. When you log into your account, it will look something like this. Now click on here where it says Settings. Before you do this, I want to remind you to fill out your billing address and all this information here. Most importantly, make sure to choose your withdrawal method. Otherwise, you will not be able to withdraw your money. But if it's not available in your area, you can simply choose a different withdrawal method from here. Now you can click right here where it says your URL here and paste your link. After this, you must click on this little arrow. As soon as I click on Submit, ShrinkMe provides me with an alternative URL to share with people. Now go to minecraftforum.net. This is an online community forum. There are a lot of people that come here. What you can do is you can participate in this forum. You can make a profile, you can engage with other users, and you can also post links. This is the main thing about this, because this is going to be a part of the strategy. But you wouldn't want to spam the forum or anything like that. You're really trying to engage and talk about anything that has to do with the Minecraft game. Post different Minecraft pictures or videos and occasionally post your shortened link. When someone clicks on that link, watch that video. You will get paid. This can happen while you sleep. And you can keep doing this over and over. And that's the beauty of this. And you can do this as many times as you want. There are no restrictions on how many times people can click on your link or how many times people can watch your videos. It's unlimited. And that's why so many people are making too much money using this method. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button with the notification bell if you don't want to miss our upcoming videos.